This Heartland Home Porcelain Mini Casserole Dish 6-piece set is a must-have for anyone who loves personal-sized, elegant, and versatile bakeware. Designed with both function and style in mind, these mini oval ramekins allow you to prepare individual portions of your favorite baked dishes, desserts, and savory meals. Each dish measures 9.5 by 5 inches, with a depth of 1.75 inches and a capacity of 14.5 ounces, making them the ideal solution for perfectly portioned servings. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. What sets these porcelain mini casseroles apart is the quality of the material. Porcelain is naturally non-porous, thermoresistant, and free from chemicals that can leach into your food. This means every dish you prepare in these ramekins is safe, healthy, and retains its true flavor. Unlike plastic or low-quality ceramic, these dishes can withstand high heat without cracking, making them suitable for oven, toaster oven, microwave, broiler, and dishwasher use. With the ability to go straight from freezer or fridge to oven, they offer maximum convenience without compromising on durability or style. The versatility of the Heartland Home Mini Casserole set cannot be overstated. Whether you want a cheesy cauliflower au gratin, personal shepherd's pie, oven-baked shrimp scampi, individual mac and cheese, or a creative dessert like banana split boats, these ramekins handle it all. Their compact yet generous size makes them perfect for individual servings, giving you control over portions and presentation. This makes them a practical choice for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. Ease of use has been a priority in the design. Unlike many small baking dishes where the handles merge into the sides, making them difficult to grip, these casseroles feature proper, sturdy handles. The solid handles allow for secure transport from oven to table, even when wearing oven mitts. This minimizes spills and messes while providing a professional presentation, even for home chefs. The smooth interior glaze ensures easy cleaning, and the stackable design helps maintain a neat and organized kitchen. Another notable advantage is the gift-ready presentation. Each set is beautifully boxed, making it an ideal present for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, holidays, or simply for friends and family who enjoy cooking. Its elegant design, paired with the practical size and durability, ensures that this gift will be appreciated and used for years to come. Why this set stands out? Versatile enough for both everyday meals and special occasions. Combines elegance with practicality for perfect presentation. Durable porcelain ensures long-lasting use and reliable heat distribution. Compact size makes it perfect for portion control and entertaining. Stackable and easy to clean, saving time in the kitchen. Real-life use. Scenarios. Imagine serving individual mac and cheese or lasagna portions at a family dinner. The Heartland Home Mini Casseroles maintain the food's temperature and presentation while providing enough depth for a hearty serving. Hosting a brunch or dessert party. Use the same dishes to serve personal banana split boats or fruit crisps, adding style to your table. For meal prep enthusiasts, these ramekins allow you to bake multiple dishes at once, portion meals ahead of time, and store them conveniently in the fridge or freezer. Safety and practical tips. Preheat oven according to recipe instructions, up to 500° F. Avoid sudden temperature changes to protect porcelain from thermal shock. Use oven mitts for handling hot dishes. Clean with mild detergent and avoid abrasive scrubbers to maintain the glaze. Stack carefully to avoid chipping. Who should buy? This set is perfect for home cooks, bakers, meal prep enthusiasts, families, and anyone who loves elegant individual servings. It is also ideal for those looking for a gift that combines style and utility. From casual weekday meals to holiday entertaining, these mini casserole dishes enhance both function and presentation. Final thoughts. The Heartland Home Porcelain Mini Casserole Dish Set is an investment in convenience, elegance, and versatility. With high-quality porcelain, proper handles, and a generous capacity, this set makes portion-controlled meals easier, mess-free, and visually appealing. Whether you are baking, serving, or gifting, these mini casseroles meet every need in the kitchen with style and reliability. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and experience the convenience, durability, and elegance of the Heartland Home Porcelain Mini Casserole Dish Set for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.